When considering an effective way to discuss your strategy with your team, this framework could be an ideal choice. Let's start by explaining how to use it, and if you're interested, you can watch the full video to discover where to find it and how to access all the resources. Discover the YOMI Play to Win strategy game, ideal for business workshops. This is one of many tools and frameworks available at Nova. Start by creating 2 or 4 teams. Each team will represent a player in the game. One team will represent your organization, and at least one team will represent a competitor. Before the workshop, each team will need to conduct some research to come prepared to the workshop. We recommend sharing these tools with them. The pestle analysis to better understand their environment, the competitive analysis to understand each competitor, and the product or service evaluation to understand what is different about what competitors are offering. Particularly, people playing as your competitors will need to fully understand them. Then the workshop begins. The team needs to define their definition of winning and then choose a card deck. You can also mix them, but in general, you will choose the card deck for the product strategy, business growth, or even this one based on what you want to focus on. Then everyone will throw the dice and move around the board. Add sticky notes so that every team has an idea of what is happening in the market. All team members can contribute. Then you move to the ladder. Once in the ladder, you only move up or down. So if you got a 6, you will move up and down. You can only access the winning section if you get the exact number to enter that section. Once in the winning section, each team will have to share their raw ideas of the strategy. This will help teams gain visibility on what the competitor could be thinking and shift based on that. Then each team will work on their strategy on their own time and have to present it to everyone. This time, everyone listening to the presentation of the strategy will represent an investor. Each investor has $1 to invest in one or multiple teams. The team that gets more support from investors will win and, as a result, will be the key team finalizing the strategy. So, where can you find this tool? You can, of course, draw this on a whiteboard, buy the physical version, or access this at Nova. Create a project using the YOMI workflow. Resources to prepare for the session are ready for you, and then the workshop is also ready. If you just want to access the card deck, you have access to all our card decks by opening your left menu, opening the Resources section, and going to the Card Deck section. In the Card Deck section, you may have multiple pages. Find the one you want by browsing these pages. To add a card deck to a whiteboard, open the card deck here, select the card, and click on the board, just like this. This framework and the card deck were created by Ro Fernandez, and you can also find more information on her blog and her book. That's all. Let us know what you think.